Leon, good to see you. A 4-1 win against Bolton in the Carabao Cup on Tuesday night. Were you and the squad pleased with how you handled what was a tricky tie?
Yeah, definitely. I think, from the get-go, we all knew what we went there to do, and this was a task that we had to overcome, and that's one task that's already put away, and we're happy about it. Gives us a lot of confidence moving forward, and yeah, we just done what the gaffer had asked us to do, and we done it. I think we done it well, and now it's to really take this confidence moving into the next game.
And you came on for the final 20 minutes and made a big impact. Were you pleased to get off the mark and get your first goal of the season?
Definitely, it felt great to get my first goal, of course. But the most important thing is that the confidence that everybody got back after a tough defeat we had on the weekend before. So that was the most important thing, that we got the win and advanced to the next round, and the confidence going into the game on Sunday.
And Steven Gerrard's spoken a lot about how you're trusting your body more this season. How are you feeling physically at the moment?
Physically, I feel amazing. Last season has been a really tough one for me, because from the very start of my time here at Villa, I had difficulties with my body. Not because of here, but because I had previous injury before I came here. So everything just started off wrong, and I hope I could change that this season and do what I know I can do. And I feel like a new player, a new signing for Villa.
Yeah. And you've played a part in every game so far. So as you say there, is there a different feel, different vibe to how this season has been for you compared to last season?
Yeah, definitely. As I said, I trust my body way more than I did last season. And I know what I'm capable of. I know what I can deliver. I know how much I can be, almost of importance as it can be for the team. And, I feel very confident, and I'm focused, and I'm ready to, keep things going with winning games after games. That's the mentality.
And how important was having that full pre-season for you and scoring a couple of goals as well?
It definitely was really important for me, because I haven't had pre-season for the last, I think, 2 years. So for me, this pre-season was huge. Because of last season, also made me trust my body more, gave me a lot of confidence, and obviously scoring goals as well. You feel like you're back to your old self, and that's the confidence I needed, and I think that's back, and I'm ready to go.
And do you feel more about the Premier League this season, and are maybe better prepared for going into Premier League games?
Most definitely. The Premier League is one of the best leagues in the world. I'm actually happy how the first season went, because sometimes in life you have to learn from your mistakes, innit? And from failure, you take it as a lesson, and I think that's something that I've done, and I've done my homework, and I've done my research, and everything that I needed to do to come in this season to make sure I dominate the way I know I can and help the team as much as possible.
And we're back at Villa Park on Sunday. During your time at the club, how supportive have the fans been, and how good is it to play in front of them, and what impact can they have on this game?
Oh, most definitely. Villa fans are amazing. I'm not gonna lie. Some of the best fans I've seen. They're just awesome people. They're just die-hard fans, and you don't get that a lot of places. And they're always there every step of the way. Every fan is different, but I think they really show how much they want this club to go forward, and it's up to us to really deliver that to them and make them happy. And that's what everybody in the club and in the team is about, and we want to go on this journey with them, and they're really important for us, and we're going to do everything possible to really give them some smiles on their face game after game.